Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. My name is Amit and I started a series of vocabulary words on this channel. So to get more information, more updates, please subscribe this channel, and to get latest updates and latest notifications, so please press the bell icon. So today's first word is alacrity. So the meaning of alacrity is that furti, or that in, if we say in English, so that's excitement or enthusiasm also. So we, if you use a sentence for this word, so that is after a long practice session, I went to play match with enthusiasm, or sorry, that is alacrity. So after a long practice of session, I went to play match with alacrity. So the second word is demise. The meaning of demise is death or mrityu or nidhan. So thanks for watching the video, and please press the bell icon to get more updates, and have a good day. I hope you all are well and you all are safe. So thank you, thanks a lot, and have a good day.